Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1956 Studebaker Transtar Deluxe. There was a couple of models of these. The Deluxe gives you the bigger motor. It's a 225 V8, 12 volt system, sitting on a set of like brand new tires. Very cool design. Very different than the Chevy and the Ford. Actually has a very nice style to it. Beautifully restored. Runs and drives fantastic. Super straight body. Love this oval back window. So unique. And the integrated rain guards over the doors are very neat. Very cool pillarless window design for the vent window. I think Studebaker was really ahead of their time making this. It's got an added stereo, 12 volt adapter, heat, opposing wipers. Cool. This bed is unique too. Studebaker always had the best styling. Inside we got a nice lofty bench. And vinyl. Showing 13,178 miles. It's 3 on the tree with overdrive. There's the overdrive switch. Added 12 volt adapter, electric heat, and a Sony AM/FM cassette stereo. That's how you turn the wipers on here. Pretty cool. Very unique. Fire it up for you. Man, it runs fantastic. Cute little ashtray. Man, there's something about the simplicity of this. It's just amazing. Beautiful shape too. Just gonna pause you for a second when I open the hood. There we go. Little V8. It's a 224. Very simple design. Nice big radiator. And this truck will cruise like 65 miles per hour with the overdrive. Really nice. Beautifully restored. Mechanical fuel pump. Relay. Dispenser. We'll have an oil filter right on the top. Very neat. Almost thought the gas tank would be under here, but it's not. Very cool. Added turn signals. Cool. Oh, and then this little guy, when you turn the wheel, it releases it. How cool is that? Yeah, very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 150 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.